Hello, and welcome back to homeschoolcurriculumcenter.com. We are your source for curriculum reviews and resources. We give you information on everything homeschool, including top curriculum choices, free curriculum options, best online curriculum, and resources for every subject. So, welcome back. Thank you for joining us on today. We are back with another great homeschooling resource. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified when we upload videos on the latest homeschooling resources. Remember, if you want access and know how to use these curriculum options, definitely watch each video in its entirety as I walk you through the ins and outs of how to use these curriculum options. Today's curriculum is a free option from CK-12. So let's explore CK-12. They do have lots of free options available. They have full free curriculum options on their website. If you go to the very top here for subject, it shows you their available options here. They do have a full math options there. They have science as well as English and social studies. They do have some college level courses, other subject areas, and actually adult education. So today's video will focus on their math course options here. As you can see, they have elementary math. They also have middle school math there, along with the high school math options there. They have an interactive portion there, as well as a conventional option for mathematics. Let's take a peek at their elementary here for fifth grade. When you click on the grade level for your child, it will pop up the different subheadings here of the skills and concepts that will be learned for that particular grade level. So in fifth grade math here, you have multiplication and division, you have multiple operations and grouping, place value, decimals, fractions, time, money, measurement, and geometry. When you go to the particular skill or concept, you click on it and you start from the top with working through each of the subheadings there of learning that particular skill. Each subheading does have an array of different skills. Sometimes there's an interactive activity. There are also videos and practice assignments within these lessons. So you will want to watch the video first with your child, let your child watch the video, and then let them work on the practice problems. You can do some of them with them. It does give an estimated time of how long it would take to finish this assignment. Of course, that varies per student, and that's why we homeschool, so we can cater all curriculum options to our children. So this is a great option if you need an option for math. So remember that was the fifth grade math there. Look at grade one. So in grade one, you will see what's offered there. So definitely less options there because it's the very beginning of math. And so addition and subtraction to 20 and then to 100. Then you have time, measurement, and geometry. So same options here. You will look at the particular skill there. And this is identifying basic shapes and then counting rectangular, squares, triangles, and composite figures there. So remember, you will pop up with a video that will fully explain this lesson or concept to your child, and then they will be able to practice. Of course, the practice is definitely shorter for the younger grade levels. Let's take a peek at their middle school course here for math. So as you can see, they do have math 6, 7, and 8. They do have it in both the interactive version and the conventional version. They do explain the difference in between the two here. So if you want to see the difference in between what's interactive and then what's conventional, you can see they have a chart here. So here are the conventional books here. So, and you can see the different offerings there of how they vary, how they differ there. All right. So for math, for the interactive for math 6, take a peek at that beginning level of sixth grade there, middle school math. So as you can see, when you click on the subject there, it'll show you all the different subheadings there that are included in this book for sixth grade math. When you click on the title there, it will show you the lessons that are taught for that particular subheading. So you will start from the beginning of the chapter there. They do have what's called the little Flexi AI guide that pops up on the site. If you have any questions, you can definitely access those little AI guide. If you don't, you can just X out of that box and continue with your learning. So it does give you a narrative there of what you will be learning there. It does give you some images there as well. There are some practice assignments within the lessons. Your child can check it and as they go. And so definitely this is a very great free resource that can be used with your children. So like I mentioned, there's some interactive activities there within the lessons they can utilize as they're learning the particular skill. They will continue to progress through the units there as they go on and definitely learn the particular skill. They have a remember this, kind of a little quick summary there, what they've learned, then some review questions to apply what they have learned. You can do one sub lesson per day. You can break that sub lesson over a week's period. It's up to you how you want to complete the lessons with your children. So remember that homeschooling is totally customizable. So you would do what is best for your children. So a lot of try it activities within the math sections here, as you can see. You can see their progress as they're going through the lesson. You can sit with your child and do it with them. They can do it on their own, depends on the independence of your child. But lots of examples are built in here. And then once again, at the end of each lesson, you have a summary and then some review questions to apply those skills. So remember, there are interactive tasks here, also videos, as well as practice problems in order to learn these lessons. You will go to your table of contents here. And then when you're ready to move on to your next concept, you would go here and then so on and so forth. So lots of great options here for this particular curriculum with CK-12 math. They do have upper level math courses as well. As you can see, they do have probability and statistics. They have trigonometry, math analysis, pre-calculus, and calculus. So lots of options for math here. So middle school all the way through high school, as well as the elementary levels there. They do have college level math and a few science courses as well. So definitely take your picking. They are all pretty much organized the same way. We click on probability there and stats. You will see that they do have the same layout there. So you have the full headings there. When you click on the drop down arrow, it will show you what's in that particular course there, what you will learn, the subheadings there. You do have the same access to the little Flexi AI guide there. And then you have your lesson. So including with those images there, lots of examples, lots of narrative text to really explain what you're learning so you can read about it. And then the examples there to help you understand how to work it through. So lots of examples, lots of review, and then you can click here for the answer key. So how awesome is that? Definitely the answer key for those upper level mathematics courses. So this could be a great option if you're looking for a free online math course that's available totally online. So definitely check it out at ck12.org, ck12.org. A complete free math courses there, starting in elementary school and going all the way through high school. So definitely check it out. If this is not quite what you're looking for, that is totally okay. There are several math options available. Definitely check out our playlist right here on YouTube. We have so many math options available. So go to that playlist and binge watch and compare the options that are available there. Also, there is a guide at Homeschool Reading Resources that has a full list of math curriculum, websites, and so on and so forth. That is a free guide available here at homeschoolreadingresources.com. It's available right here on the site. It is a free download. It gives you a list of curriculum, free curriculum, websites, and workbooks for math. So don't fear, don't worry. There is the right curriculum out there for your children. Just take your time and do some research, and you will find what's right for your family. Remember to share this video with other families so they have this information also. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified when we upload videos on the latest homeschooling resources. Also, check out the description box. There are so many helpful links in there. And remember, happy homeschooling.